If you're off center, okay, you're off center, right? If you can't find the center, if you can't establish a center, if the center moves on you, okay, but make this level. This is level, the ground is level, make this parallel with this. Don't have one edge higher than the other, because then it's difficult to trim. Okay? If it's thicker on one side and thinner on the other side, who cares? Right? It'll make it through. It just looks funny, that's all. Maybe funny is okay. I don't know. For now, to accomplish this simple shape, I'm trying to show this as simply as I can, right? I'm not trying to make it complicated for you. And already you're going, I'm lost. I forgot what he said. What do I do with my hand? What part of my hand am I using? You know, all of that stuff. It will come through practice, right? And you can ask me to refresh your memory or remind you of what I said. Whatever. I think taking videos is a great idea. You could probably start sharing those and charge subscription prices. And, you know, I'm just joking about that. But how do you remember anyway, right? If you're not taking notes. And I don't have a problem with videos. I'm not trying to be a video star. I just think that, you know, maybe that's how some people learn now. Used to be I was all freaked out by Facebook. Oh, don't make video. I'll end up on Facebook. I don't care now. Facebook is meaningless. Yeah. Why do I spin when I cut? Why must I spin when I cut?
Because otherwise it'll pull the piece rather than
No,
like misshapen.
it won't pull. The way that it's stuck on there, it would never pull towards me.
Okay. Well, I meant like missshaping it by like if you're just doing the pulling motion, it might like make one side of it a little more flat than the other.
What it does is it makes one side lower and one side higher, right? Because if it's not spinning and I'm pulling towards me like this, invariably one hand is going to be in a different position than the other. But if it's spinning and I'm pulling through in one revolution, I'm going to have a level cut that's going to match the level of the rim.